What is up, you guys? So today I'm going to a car meet with my mans. We're in Vacaville. It's supposed to be a big one, so hopefully we see a lot of nice cars. I mean, obviously, but it's super hot out here, so hopefully we survive.
Oh, look at this. Look at this little pretty Mark IV right here. Oh, yeah, that's dope. Oh, it's a Golf. TDI.
Hey you guys, so we checked out of our hotel. I don't know where we are. We're not in Vacaville anymore, but we just had some tacos. Super full. On the way back home, but we're gonna stop by my baby's friend's house for a party. My hair is so stringy, y'all. Like, if you guys watched the previous video, it came out cute even when I styled it, but this is like not really styled. Sorry, and I tried to put some deep conditioner in it, and it just like made it hard, and like I just lost my whole curl pattern, so I felt like low-key was like a fail, unless like I curl it and stuff, but I'm gonna have to keep it hydrated and stuff. You can see it's all stringy and stuff, but it is what it is. I might just chop it off. Who knows? Might get chopped off. What is up, you guys? Today is the day. No, I'm just playing. Today I'm going over to my sister-in-law's house. I'm watching 4 kids, y'all. I'm gonna have some help, but it's always crazy when I go over there, so that's why I thought I'd pop out my little handy dandy camera, you know, my iPhone, and just record, and let's see what we're gonna get into. Yeah, I might do a little cooking video tonight. I'm not sure what they have in the kitchen, but I'm trying to whip something up. I got a 12-year-old to watch, which she kind of watch on her own, a 10-year-old, a 7-year-old, and a 4-year-old, and then my sister-in-law is there, Anissa. I think she's 17, 18, and then me. So yeah, I'm almost there. They got a pool, and I'm driving, so I gotta go. What's up, you guys? So I got here safely. I know I said I was driving, so I had to end it, but I dropped down my stuff, finna go swimming, about to change into my swimsuit, so yeah. And I'm back. Change. Get a rude.
I don't like it. Fix it.
Nevaeh is being an ugly bum because
She's bullying you.
you deserve it. Whatever you did, you deserve it. Is Destiny already outside? Oh yeah.
You're on shoes with hooks, right?
Yeah. Why are you so dark, JoJo?
Because I was tanning yesterday.
No, he always goes in the pool.
He was tanning. I don't know what freaking 7-year-old tans.
The sun was like beaming hot.
Yeah,
Nice.
yesterday was so hot.
What's on your face?
That's why I wanted
Sunscreen.
Oh.
What
Nice.
else?
We gotta clean it out just a little bit.
Wait.
Like, whatever.
You're gonna do a YouTube video.
I'm already doing a YouTube video.
You already have a grow post stand.
No.
We have one that could only stick on like grass or any type of grass. That.
Jay, that's to watch YouTube in your car.
Oh, it's called like a mini tripod. Waiting and waiting. Do you guys have like food like that? Like, what do you have like for dinner to make?
We can make some tacos. We have meat
Meat, okay.
and some vegetables.
You have like corn tortillas and stuff,
Yeah, we have a little tortilla.
and you have like cilantro and onions,
We
tomatoes.
can make spaghetti.
That's funny you say that, JoJo, because I was like, if they didn't have enough food, I got some money. We can just go to the store. I'll go to the store and get some noodles. That's like the most easiest thing. Yeah.
Now it's showing your face.
Cause I was probably like that, so you couldn't see it, probably because of the sun or whatever. Yeah. But probably hecka bright. But yeah, we'll do that. That's a lot more easier, non-messy to make spaghetti.
We have like a very like
Hey,
a
should
lot
we-
of variety in
We
here.
have a
Okay,
hornet's
cool.
We have-
nest
yeah.
already.
We have
Really?
We already
rotini,
have
We have the alphabet soup, and we have like the actual noodles.
Like regular spaghetti noodles?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want the alphabet. I'm not
But not for spaghetti though. Like
Yeah,
that's nasty.
that's for soba, Jojo.
Yeah, we need like long, like fettuccine spaghetti noodles, like
Yeah.
not
Or
little baby
we can
noodles.
use what we regularly use, and we use regularly.
Okay.
used.
Do you have spaghetti sauce?
Yeah, we have tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce. Oh, okay. Cool,
Which
cool,
is what
cool.
we use, and we also have. I think we have
The
some.
goggles are
Okay.
over there. The green
Like
goggles
hamburger
are
meat?
over there, I think, and then the pink goggles are
I'm
over
stealing them from you. You're not gonna get.
Is it
any of them.
hamburger meat, Destiny?
I don't know.
I need them, or else I would drown.
How does she not know?
We have we're going in the pool. We have one for mommy and one for you. Oh, she says that she's doing one.
I cannot believe how outside. Hey Google.
Okay, I gotta be careful with my phone because it's not waterproof.
Hey Google.
But I'm gonna try to get in.
Hey
We
Google.
were trying to fight at each other like a couple days ago.
It's nasty. Ooh, it's hecka warm. Yes. Y'all, this is like really like warm room temperature. Like I really don't even get in pools this fast, but it's super warm. And I'm taking a risk having my phone in the pool just for a quick second to show you guys the coronavirus in
That's
the
usually
pool.
what I do to play music when the boys are in here, and then the boys started splashing me, and my phone almost went. Bleh. Jojo, go say.
Ah. Hey! Gonna get copyrighted for this song.